Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are getting rid of the pumpkin shelves. They're gone, they're going away. We're getting rid of them to make way for Christmas. Let's get into it. Here's the damage. All of my Halloween decor, Halloween and Thanksgiving-esque fall decor. Very orange is the theme, if we can't tell. The shelves look very bare and need a solid dusting, but we will get to that. But yeah, okay. Now here comes the fun part. I need to fit all of this into 3 tubs. One of which is already half full of stuff that I'm probably going to end up donating. So let's figure that out now. Okay, welcome to the chaos. This is all stuff that I decided not to put out this year. Some of it just felt a little dated. Some of it just felt like, I don't know. I think you guys saw actually my decorating video. There was just some stuff I just wasn't excited about this year with like my decor. So I think like, I don't know. There's some of this stuff I think I can donate right now before I fill up these tubs. All right, 3 tubs, an entire bed of stuff. Let's do this. And just like that, we fit the whole thing in 2. Didn't even need the 3rd one. Nice. This is more like non-breakable stuff. A lot of these are plastic or like things that'll be fine, like moving, getting a little bit more jostled. This is all more fragile stuff, hence the fragile things that I ended up wrapping in a blanket. And if you're interested in this, my friend Claire actually painted this, so it's an original, which I'm obsessed with. So yeah. I think that about does it. And there you have it. All the Halloween and decor for fall is ready to go back to storage. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.